Julian, can you help adding anak? Help pa. Wala naman si Dong. Tinext ko na. Okay, talk now. Go talk. Juliana, go talk to. Atin Dong. Oh, your operation? Ate Dong, say hi. Oh. Ate Dong, say hi, hi, Ate Dong. Ate Dong give you money. Say hi, Ate Dong. Nintay ka niya maligo. On the 23. Ah, and we will be in Hawaii then, so she'll be watching the house. Just kidding. Pauwi na. Oh, Ate Dong said she's coming home. Oh, Gilana, your brother said thanks for calling. Your brother said happy birthday. Oh, look, Gilana, go have to find it. This one, the swimming pool. You can do this one, okay? What else? Yeah. And where's the ducky? Where's the ducky? Whoa. Oh, do you have a baby? Gilana, where's Ken? Yeah, there's a Ken. Julian, can you find that? Can you help? Stop eating your finger. You're going to start eating your finger. Where there's supposed to be a car? Is there gonna be a car? See, no, you almost break.